Welcome. How many people are with you today?
Just two, please.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under alley.
Would you like a table by the window?
Yes, please.
Here are your menu.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
I'll have an orange juice.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet.
Do you need a few more minutes?
Yes, please.
What would you like for your starter?
I'll have the chicken soup.
Would you like some bread?
Yes, please.
Have you chosen your main course?
Yes, I have.
What would you like?
Grilled chicken, please.
Would you like fries or mashed potatoes?
Mashed potatoes, please.
Would you like a side salad?
Yes, that sounds good.
Would you like extra cheese?
Yes, please.
Do you like spicy food?
Just a little.
Should I make it mild?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
Your order will be ready shortly.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Everything is perfect.
How does the soup taste?
It's delicious.
Would you like some ketchup?
Yes, please.
Can I bring you more napkins?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like another drink?
I'll have another lemonade.
Is the food too hot?
No, it's just right.
Are you enjoying your meal?
Very much.
Would you like more bread?
No thanks.
Can I refill your water?
Yes, please.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is.
How did you hear about us?
My friend recommended this place.
Do you like the atmosphere?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
Is the music too loud?
No, it's perfect.
Can I clean your plate?
Yes, I'm finished.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, please.
What would you recommend it?
The chocolate cake looks great.
Would you like ice cream too?
Yes, one scoop.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla, please.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, a black coffee.
Would you like sugar?
Just one spoon.
Is everything to your liking?
Yes, everything is wonderful.
Would you like your food packed?
Yes, please.
Is there anything left?
Just a little.
Shall I bring the bill?
Yes, please.
Cash or card?
Card.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Did you enjoy your dinner?
Absolutely.
Will you visit us again?
Definitely.
Would you recommend us to your friends?
Of course.
Are you celebrating something today?
Yes, my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Would you like a birthday dessert?
That would be amazing.
Shall I bring the cake now?
Yes, please.
Would you like me to take a picture?
Yes, thank you.
Is the service good?
Excellent.
Is the restaurant busy today?
Yes, it seems crowded.
Did you save room for dessert?
I certainly did.
Would you like another coffee?
No, thank you.
Are you full now?
Yes, I am.
Was the portion enough?
Yes, it was.
Which dish did you like the most?
The grilled chicken.
Would you like to leave a tip?
Yes, of course.
Thank you for your kindness.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too.
Drive home safely.
Thank you.
We hope to see you again.
I'll definitely come back.
Thanks for dining with us.
It was my pleasure.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Take care.
Thanks. Take care.
See you next time.
See you soon.
If you like my videos, then do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.